Hello, my name is Ivaylo. I work as a project engineer at Coveya and I have been with them for nearly 20 months now. I am currently involved in a big project of 8 conveyors. It's a brand new mixed product recycling facilities. It will showcase several of our products like swan neck conveyors and straight conveyors. It's very interesting as it is a mixed recycling product. It has plastics, metal and organic matter, different ways of separation and different machines. On a typical day here at Coveya, I come in the morning, have a cup of chamomile, chunk my work for the day, plan it in order, then look at my emails. When my colleagues come in, we have a little design catch-up and then we proceed to focus on our different tasks. We divide the day in 2 blocks of 2 hours focus time and then blocks of out of focus time where we interact with our colleagues. We provide help to the sales team, we can do layouts or sales drawings, and during focus time is where we purely focus on a single project which requires more of our attention because of complexity. I really enjoy working at Coveya. Our team here is highly driven and professional. Everyone works very hard to provide the best results for our customers. Everyone is fully committed to customer satisfaction. Everyone has a great attitude and that's really contagious and really fun bunch to work with. There is a real sense of belonging in a team and lots of fun time, which really does make a difference. Please feel free to give us a call or visit our website for any more information. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.